So today took a surprise twist. It was just supposed to be rainy. Now we have 6 huge storm cells that are tornado producing. That's in our direct path. We already had a small cell that had pea-sized hail hit us. We have all the kids with us in our living room and dining room area. And we're keeping an eye on the skies and our weather apps. I will keep you guys posted as the more severe storms move in and if we get hit with a tornado or not. Because there's already been 6 confirmed in Ohio in the path that's hitting us directly. This is a tornado warned, well not warned, it's a watched storm. We have not gotten a warning yet, but a mile down, they're already warned, so we wouldn't be surprised if we get warned. We have all the kids in the living room in case we need to go in the basement. I'm not going to be out here much longer. I just wanted to get a couple bits of the lightning. It's coming from northwest. We have Ryan Hall on our TV tracking the storm that's coming straight at us. You just saw the lightning. This is cloud coverage as it's coming in. It's not over here yet. It's all coming in. It's from over here. Lightning's definitely getting closer, so I'll stand out here for one more strike and then I'm going back in. And keep you guys posted on if we actually get the tornado that is within this storm or not. Everybody stay safe. This has went from Kansas to Illinois, Indiana, Texas, now in Ohio. And on that note, we're going.
Wouldn't the screen turn like a white color when
so we can see the clouds better. It's okay, babe. Nothing is scary about it.
Whoa! That was cool! That big one is cool!
You want to see Daddy? You want to sit?
That's relaxed.
She said she's cold.
Did you see that light?
Mom, how do we get off this plane?
The light?
Ow.
Watch, it's gonna go.
When?
I don't know if Freya should be watching this. Flashing lights.
Me either. And I don't think you can be watching this. I looked away now.
As long as it's pointed out the window.
Hey, Ray, you're telling the one to it. She's recording the lightning. Lindsay and Bo can't get that thing. Yeah. Because it's fast. Yeah. Only big boys can. Some boys.
That's just gonna get hit with a tornado. There's
Baby, now
a
you're
tornado
on the table.
virus
Come on.
right now.
Here.
I don't think the show's us anymore.
I want to help. See, I want to help. Whoa! You can watch it on the phone.
It looks like that way if you
Mommy, let me watch it on the phone. Whoa! Whoa!
No, it looks like that.
Can't watch it. It's lightning. Wow. Wow. And they came you in the back and loaded over.
So, to be safe, we are camp. Here's everybody.
What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody?
Everyone's gonna sleep downstairs
Look at my big old
tonight.
pillow. Look at my big old pillow.
It is now Sunday, St. Patrick's Day, so happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. And Kai did my makeup this morning, so I'll put that in here. But it's crazy how the weather is. Like, we went from 70 degrees yet again to this ish right here. Like, what even is life? Yeah, you see that? St. Patrick's Day, and it's snow. But yeah, it's snowing, and it's 32 degrees now. It was 45 earlier today. But yeah, that's how St. Patrick's Day is. Everyone just left about half an hour ago, waiting for the other kids to get back. I sound like poop because I think I have bronchitis, which is lovely. It started out, we had influenza A go through the house, then influenza B, and it's just, it's never ending, and I'm hoping that this goes away and we stay in the warmer weather so we ain't constantly battling this. But I want to wrap all of this up since it's been about a 4-day gap of vlogging, and you can say hi to the kids that are here. Brenna Rose. Brenna, say hi.
Hi.
Freya Leila. Say hi.
Hi.
Where's your glasses at? Liam Robert, you say hi to everybody. Monkey. Yeah, this was cleaned twice today. He's watching his Taylor Swift concert. You say hi to everybody. Edward. You asked to be in the video and then you're gonna act like that. He broke his glasses for us playing with Kylie earlier. So we have them taped on the one side. Try to get him in Friday for that. But alright, everybody. It looks like a snow globe. It's almost springtime, which is why I don't want no more snow, but snow is still beautiful. Yeah, it's falling down crazy. He's trying to catch this giant snowflakes in the frying pan. Buddy, you ain't got your coat on. Come on, let's get back inside.
It's not cold.
It is cold if it's... Do you guys see how big these snowflakes are? It's huge. Like, what? It's ungodly. It's literally like a snow globe. Watch, I'm about to... I have no shoes on. So, no shoes. And I'm standing out in this. It's huge. Snowflakes falling, but it's freezing. It's cold, Johnny. Let's go back inside.